Hey guys, so welcome back to DelftStack. This is how to view old media files in Messenger. So to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. And now from here, just simply select the person that you want to view the old media that you had shared together. So now here, just simply go ahead and select the name of the person at the top of the screen. And now from here, you should be able to see here, view media files and links under more actions. And now from here down below, you will have media, you will have files, and you will have links as well. So from here, you could surf or scroll to see all of the activities that your friend did. And pretty much since I only have a few one, I won't be able to scroll here. But if you do, you should be able to view your old media files over here. And now, guys, if you do it one by one on your messages, of course, there will be some calls, there will be some messages. So it's best to view your old media over here on this category. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.